Our transit tipper is painted and is being fitted up by our technician Steve, with the project coming well along. Our C-Type Special is out of paint after being painted in this stunning seafoam green. The workshop team are now fitting the car's period correct features. The Java Green Spitfire has come on leaps and bounds this month, with the front and rear suspension now in place along with some of its interior. The Carriage Green Jensen 541 has been worked on by Paul, who has fitted the running gear into the car. Neil worked on recommissioning some of our storage cars such as our Vauxhall Belmont, while John was busy preparing and working on the Bedford HA as well as our other competition cars. Our trim shop were busy this month, with one of their jobs being replacing the roof on this Rover 216. As well as the Belmont, Neil got our Mini Berkeley back on the road. Another Triumph Spitfire we've been working on, this time having mechanical and trim work before it heads into paint. Friday afternoons means workshop clean and a better chance to take a look at some projects. One of the Mk2 Ford chassis has been painted and has begun to be rebuilt. A rare opportunity to look under the skin of another Jensen 541 project. With the chassis painted and fiberglass work finished, the paint and body team can marry the two together. A project we're very excited about, our 1905 Riley 9 horsepower. After being hand-painted, the trim and workshop team are working together ahead of its unveiling at the NEC next week. A closer look at the interior of our Java Green Spitfire. Our Jensen 541R is now entering the final stages of its restoration journey with our workshop manager, Big John. Big John is working on testing and shakedown before it